It's fun. Come on, put your hand in there.
It's fun.
Put your hand in there.
It's fun.
Yes, I see you. Come on. You can do it. Go, go, go.
It's fun.
It's fun. Go ahead. Come on, you can do it. Come on, put your hand in the pumpkin.
You're killing him.
Put your hand in the pumpkin. Yes, you can do it. Go, go, go. Shh, let her do it. Let her do it. Go ahead, go ahead. Put your hand in.
I don't think
It's nice. It's nice. Come on.
It's all gooey and fun.
What did you do? Go on, you can do it. Pull out some seeds. Get mommy a seed. What is that? Is it goo? It's a goo?
Yes.
1 second.
Don't use your hand in them. No. It's gooey and fun.
Maybe I'll keep one of these and plant it outside.
Come on, put your hand inside. Put your hand in the pumpkin. Come on. Not that. Your hands. Come on. Put your hand inside. Oh no. What did you do to your pumpkin? Okay, come on. You can do it. How about if I hold it for you? Want me to hold it for you? Okay. Go ahead. You can do it. I know you can do it. Go ahead. Wow. Come on. Grab some of the stuff in there and pull it out for mommy.
How do you put a candle in this?
You hollow out the bottom. What did you get? What is that? Let me see. Oh, it's stuck. Look, it's a seed. It's a pumpkin seed.
Look at it.
It is.
It's pumpkin seed.
Yeah.
Crazy. Jonathan, look at my pile.
Look at mine. It just doesn't end.
You can use the scraper to get stuff that's still stuck.
Let me see you.
Pumpkin seed more.
What do you think of pumpkins?
Sticky, dirty, messy thingies.
They're not dirty.
That's not dirty?
No, that's gooey.
Gooey, yes.
What about you?
What do you think?
What do you think of pumpkins? Pumpkin goo.
Gooey and fun. What do you think?
You tell me. What do you think?
This is gooey mess.
How about you? Uh-oh, we've got a runaway pumpkin. What about you, Jenna? Jenna,
Charge.
you having fun?
Attack of the Pumpkins is dead.
I really lightened the load.
Oh, I think we've got someone to get in there and play with it. I love those seeds. Put them on the paper. Put them on the paper. Get all of them.
Squishy.
If you take them out one at a time, we'll be done by Christmas.
Christmas. Next Easter.
Come on. There we go.
It's gooey and
So far, we've got 3. Come on.
Goo.
Maybe you should help her after this.
Yeah, this is fun.
Good girl. Oh no, there goes your pumpkin again. Here, let me help you. Okay.
Yeah, Mommy, I think I'm going to change my estimate.
What's blue?
Uh-oh.
7,000.
Blue.
No, maybe 300.
What is blue?
It's
Mommy,
what?
Are we gonna throw
Blue,
these?
Mommy. It's blue.
It's a balloon. You've been watching too much Fresh
It's
Beats.
blue, Mommy.
It's not a balloon. Does anybody think that we can fill up these pumpkins with helium and
You could.
fly them?
Yeah.
You think they would
If
fly?
you stuck them upside down, all the helium would try to go up.
Good.
Stay still.
It would be possible.
I got
Not a very good
seeds.
idea.
I got seeds.
You did. There's a lot of them in there. Look at how many. Wow.
Oh my
That's so many seeds.
Pumpkins are deadly.
Mommy, I got blue one.
You did. You have to put it on your newspaper so you can scrape out more.
Look,